Can you hear me? Okay. You got any questions for me now? Any homework that you do not know how to do? Or all you know how to do? Okay, Zahira. Are you in a staycation, Zahira? Staycation, eh?
No.
No, okay. So you all got any questions for me now? For your holiday homework or something you don't know how to do? Okay, we just wait for a while more, okay? 1 minute more before we start. Meanwhile, okay. Okay, so some of the students will be joining us. Okay, Assalamualaikum, Sophia. Long time no see. Okay, we are going to start now. Whether the rest join or not. Okay, let me. If you have this book, you turn to page 65. If you have this book, but if you don't have, it's okay. We're gonna revise part of it, and then we're gonna start the okay. Okay, we have done part of it last week. So this is just revision, okay? Please don't misunderstand. We are just warming up, okay? So here, this is just warming up, all right? It's not that I forget, I didn't forget. It's just I'm worried that some of you may forget. So we try J, L, N. These three questions. Can you see? You can see, right? All can see, okay. J, L, and N. Maybe I should make it bigger. J, L, and N. Okay. J, L, this J now cannot see. J, L, and N.
What page?
Page 65. If you have the book, even better, do it in the book. But this have gone through last lesson, some of the questions. But we are warming up to go through the next one. But I'm just worried that you may have forgotten. So please try and key in your answer in the chat, please. All right, you can do this.
Can you use calculator?
You can use calculator. You are in Sec 1, no problem. Sophia, you okay, Sophia? You look as if you are stunned. Are you stunned? You know how to do this? You know how to do this? Or you might be looking at something else. Okay, never mind. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Zaira, you know what to do, Zaira? What's your answer, Zaira? Okay, no one has sent me. Here you send me by, yeah. You can send me by HP. Zahira, you can contact your cousin. Is she coming?
I don't know.
Yeah, contact the cousin mother lah. Okay, let me see. How many of you have sent? No one have sent anything. JLN. Oh, one person has sent. Hold on. Number, for the one who just sent me the message, number cannot combine with X. Let's say a number minus, let's say you got 50 minus 40x. You cannot minus them. Because 50 is just a number. 40x might be 40 banana. So 50 cannot minus 40 banana. You must leave them as separate. Okay, here, correct. First one, correct. Sophia, error. Sophia, you must take the 5 and must multiply by the 4 also, Sophia. 5 times 4. You don't just leave it. Why so sad, Rahana? Same thing, Zahira. Okay, all right. We go through now. Let us see. Now for the first one, because I'm just going through the first one, okay? Now, 5 times 12 is 60. And then 5 times 4, 20. But remember, there's an X. Zahira and Sophia, you must times the 4. Because this means 5 times the whole thing. Now, plus is here, minus here, so it's minus. So this is your answer for question number J. All right? Sophia, okay? You understand, Sophia? Sophia, understand? Okay, let's see whether. Heian has sent me the thing. Let's see, yeah. Heian for. Heian, second one is wrong, wrong, wrong. Come on, Heian, you cannot make this mistake. You're already champion. You're going to go express. You say I go express. I believe you will go to express. Let us check with Sophia. Sophia, minus, 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 minus times minus give you what? And then at the same time, you must take 9 times 10. Don't leave it as 10. Same thing. 8 times 8, Sophia, you must times. If you have 2 children, you just times 1, and the child will say you're unfair, no? You must be fair to all your children. Sophia, I know you do not have children yet, but you have to be fair to them. All right, Mr. Heian, your second answer is now correct. And your third answer is correct also. Let us see now. Zahira, first correction, correct, well done. Raihana, I'm not hearing from you anymore, Raihana, except for an unhappy face. Sophia, your second answer is almost correct, because you must remember minus times plus. Down here, you cannot see minus times plus give you minus. The first one is 81 must be minus. Then minus times minus give you plus. Do you get it, Sophia? From your eyes, I can see you don't get it. Yeah, Sophia, you get it, Sophia? Sophia is now great. 65. This one. Can you see now? 4C. Okay, so we are going to go now. Watch. We're going to check. You just check your answer. All right. 9 times 9, 81. Good, Sophia. Minus times plus, but there is no sign here. That means it's plus, so it's minus. 9 times 10, 90. But remember, there's an X, so we put the X here. Minus times minus. Don't put minus, no such thing. Minus become plus. So this is your answer for L. Minus 81 plus 90x. And the very last one, please. The very last one, come on. Can you see why we need to warm up? Of course, Heian, my favorite board lah. The last one, please. The last one. Zahira. Congratulations, Zahira. What about the others? Sophia and Raihana. Raihana, I've not heard you for a long time. Is she there or not? Raihana, are you there? Okay, you are there. Same thing lah. They have the top head syndrome. Okay, we are just going to, I'm just going to show you again. While we are waiting, Zahira and Heian, can you do P, please? Can you do P, please? And the rest don't need to do P, only those who have that thing. We are now at N. Sophia, what's your answer, Sophia? We are waiting for you, Sophia. Sophie, yeah. Raihana, congratulations, Miss Raihana. Well done. Raihana, if you can try P also. Those who have finished. Okay, 8 times 3, not 21 lah, Miss. 8 times 3, 24. Okay, but your answer is correct, okay? All right, and the last one. Heian, they're missing something. Heian, the first term. Zahira, first term, is it positive or negative? Your first term. Term means your first answer. Raihana, your first term is positive or negative? Okay, good, Heian. Except, how come you get 90, Heian? The rest get 45. Heian, the answer is not correct. 90 is not correct. Come on, Heian. Girls, you see, minus times plus, minus times plus. Okay, then Rahana, minus times minus, minus times minus, Rahana. Don't forget, don't make it 9. Don't make it 9. No problem, no problem here. Don't make it 9, Rahana. 45 is correct, but minus and minus is okay. You know why you're sleepy? Because you're not too challenging. Okay. Rahana, you saw not, Rahana? Okay, we're going to go through, okay? I do not know whether you have seen this. Sophia, this one, Sophia, didn't do. 5 times 2 is 10. Yes, 10y, right? Now, minus times plus. We see this one got no sign. Must put this minus. This is a plus down here. We don't write the plus. Just when you say I got $10, do you say I got plus $10? No, you just say I got $10 only. But when you utang, you must write minus lah. Minus $10 means you utang $10. But you don't write plus when you have money. Yeah, it's understood. Next one, minus times minus become plus. 5 times 9, 45. X. Okay, more or less, yes. Zahira, yes. Corrections, well done. Rahana, your correction is not done, but never mind. It's okay. We'll move on to the next one. Huh? We are going to move on to page number 66. 66, just a moment. Huh? Page number 66, and I need to find the page. Just a moment. Hold on. Huh? One moment. Huh? Where is it gone? It has gone far, far away. Yeah. Hold on. Huh? Hold on. Huh? Aduh, where is it? Oh, no. Boys and girls, just give me a moment. Aduh, where is it? Hold on, one moment. I do not know where is 67. Okay, I think 66 I did not. Okay, never mind. We will take 67 then. Okay, Raihana, this is 67, Raihana. All right. So now what do we do? Again, we are going to revise. Revision, that means you should not make any mistakes. Especially Mr. Hayen, because you have already proven yourself. Don't unprove yourself. Okay, we try now. Question C and F. Try C first. If you don't understand this one, imagine this is the same question as like that. -1 or this is the same thing, but we don't write 1 there. Why? It's considered understood. But if you need to have a 1 there for you to understand, we can write the equation like this. No problem. Okay, this is the same equation. Wow, fast, Ian. I'm still calculating here. Congratulations, Ian. Congratulations. Too fast. He's too fast. Congratulations, Ian. Ian, can you do question G and H while we wait for the rest? Sophia, you okay, Sophia? You know what to do? Okay. Now, this one, we are waiting for you guys to give to the answer to C. The other one is F. We are looking at C and F. C and F. Anybody? Okay, we have the first contestant. Let's see. Zahira. So sorry, Zahira, you were not careful. So your answer is incorrect. Both terms are incorrect. You got to expand it out. Expand out, what do you get? What do you get? The 7 plus 7y, this is a minus 1, you know. Minus, no. Minus times plus. This one becomes what? Oh, Sophia, you have completed. But Sophia, there's no x. Your x disappeared totally. X hilang, Sophia. Only got y. So, Sophia, one of your answer, one of your terms, they are correct. But the other one is incorrect. Let us see now, Mr. Hagen. Sophia, okay. Well, it's still not correct, but it's okay. You move on to F, please. Move on to F. Rahana, what about you, Rahana? I've not been hearing from you. Here, this is E, right? You're doing, which one are you doing? G. Okay. G, yeah. Congratulations, Hayan. Okay, we are going to go through now. We are going to go through. Let us see. Anyone else? Now, okay, E, just a moment, Hayan. I'm just going to run through with them. Then you can do D lah. You can try to do D or do E. E. Do E, Hayan. All right, now, girls, please watch. Now, 5 minus times plus is minus. Minus what? Minus 5x. Okay. Then minus times plus is minus 7y. You remember, no? Can see this one. Minus 5x minus 7y plus 11x. Be careful, Zahira and Sophia. These two now, I'm going to arrange these two. I'm going to put this 11x here. 11x. I'm going to put a minus 5x here. Minus 5x. Do you think you can get 16x, Miss Sophia? 11x minus 5x, what do you get? 6x. All right, 6x. So the answer is 6x minus 7y. That is your answer. This is, okay, down here. This one, 11x minus 5x, 6x minus 7y. So the answer is 6x minus 7y. All right, this is the answer. Okay. Now, can we try? You're confused, Sophia? You understand, Sophia? Sophia. Zahira, you understand, Zahira?
Yes.
Sophia, you understand? You sure? Rahana, you understand? I do not know. See, Rahana, I do not know whether she understands. I cannot see her. She doesn't send me answers. Okay lah. I'll leave it to you guys. You are half adults. Okay, now we try the next one, F. Hayen, you send your answer for, let me check here now. G now. Let me see now. G. Just now you sent, oh, E. Cannot be lah, Hayen. Wait, sorry. Okay, Hayen, your answer is correct for E. I think one of them I have not gone through. G. Okay, G, let's see, 12, 16. Yeah, G is correct also. Okay. So we'll run through this and then we move on to the next one. Okay, let's see. Anyone send me answers? I'm waiting for one particular girl. If she send me answer, I feel so happy, this girl. But normally she's hiding below the water. All I can see is her baju behind. Hayen can do D mentally, Hayen. Do D mentally without using paper. Can try not? Zahira, what happened with the golek? I can see the ceiling is turning round and round. Are you having vertigo? Okay, wow, not bad, Hayen. Except that your sign on the 4x is incorrect. I feel as if, Zahira, you're fighting with a snake. Anyone got answer? Come on. Sophia, we're waiting for you. Chayo. Don't talk to me like that, Sophia says. I'm an adult, okay? Sorry, Sophia. What's your answer, Mr. Hayen? What's your answer? Zahira, stop golek-golek lah, Zahira. Apa kamu buat lah? I feel as if you are either hugging someone or hugging your laptop and rolling. Hayen, what's your answer, Hayen? Your answer is 4x is not correct. As you can see over there, Hayen. Anyone? Okay, we got one person now. Who is it? Okay. Let me see. I'm so happy. Oh, Sophia. Sophia, let us see. Sophia, good try, Sophia. But you did not open up the bracket, so you're not careful. Oh, Sophia, you got a new answer. No, Sophia, it's still incorrect. It's supposed to be minus 4x, mister, down here. Can you see? I'm writing on the thing. Minus times plus, minus 4x. Okay. Okay, now. All right. Okay, now, girls and the rest, now we are going to remove first one step by step. So what we do, we copy exactly. Sophia, we copy exactly. 7x minus y. Now, then we remove the bracket. As we remove the bracket, we put a sign now. Minus times plus is minus 11x. Okay. And then minus times minus plus. Zahira, look here, Zahira, don't look at the back. There's no you go, now you're looking at the back. Minus become plus. Plus 4y. So let us see now. Miss Sophia, can you see plus 4y? You have $4. You utang $1. Or I can write it this way. Plus 4y, I write it like that, then you can see clearly. Plus 4y minus y. What's your answer? 4y minus y, 3y lah. Right? And then now here's 7x minus 11x. You got $7. Then you go in minus $11. You only got $7. That means you still utang $4. Minus 4x plus 3y. Okay? All right, huh? I hope you understand. You all get it? Okay, one by one. Sophia, you understand, Sophia? No? Okay. Which part you don't understand? I'm going to write it on the board now. Okay. If you don't understand, just say you don't understand. We will just repeat here. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you now how to remove this before we go to more difficult questions. Now, while we are doing this, because he already knows the thing, so I got to give him something else. Otherwise, he will feel bored. Hold on. Hian, you try I and J, and I'm going to show you now. The rest, please, I and J, okay, Hian? Okay. Can you all see? You all can see my screen or not? Can see, yeah? So now, this one, we just copy the same thing. 7x minus y. This is minus. Down here, we can't see this, but actually it's plus. As I told you before, when there is no sign, it means what? It means that that is plus. When there's no sign, it means this is plus. So minus and plus is minus 11x. Minus and minus is plus 4y. So now I write 7x. I just write it down here. 7x, the sign is in front. Minus 11x. Notice, Sophia, the sign is in front. The sign is not behind. I copy the whole thing. I write it here. Then there's some plus 4y minus y. Can you see? So 7 minus 11, I get minus 4x. Why minus 4? Because the bigger number is negative. So you got $7, you want to buy something $11, you still utang $4. Now you have 4y minus y, 1y lah, equals to 3y. And this is your answer. Sophia, okay? Sophia, okay? All okay, yeah? We move on, okay? Hayen, you got the answer now, Hayen. The rest don't do this one, Hayen. If you got the answer later, you tell me whether it's I or J. We'll move on to the next page. The next page is problem sums. Okay, problem sums, page 68. 68. Just a moment. Let me go and find the problem sum. Hold on. Down here. Okay, you can see this now. Hold on. Just one moment. Okay, can see this? So now what is it we want you to do? This is not really problem sum actually. This is not problem sum. Can you try question 5, 1, and 2? Find the product of this and this. That means what? Product means times, no, means like that, bracket, like that, times 4. You know how to do? Sophia, headache, right, Sophia? Okay, I can write like that, Sophia. That means you can write this 4 and then bracket like that. Now this bracket, you isikan this one, put inside here, go times. Okay? Next one, add this to the product of this. You must do the product first, then you add this. Try please. Try, huh? Okay. I. See here, nah? So here, I 8x, correct? Minus 2y lah. Oh, minus y, sorry. Minus 8x, correct? Minus y, correct? Plus 4z. Congratulations, Hayan, well done. 5j. Okay. Oh, 5i. Okay. So your first one is correct. That's how you send me. Well done. Okay. So here, that's why I'm telling you, you should make sure you enter Express. Otherwise, it'll be a waste of talent. Okay. Let us see now. Ian has given the answer for this one. For 5i, let me see. Anyone else given the answer? Okay, Ian, correct?
So what page?
This is page 68. 68, question 5. Page 68. Oh. Sorry. What happened? Sorry. Yeah. What is happening? So sorry. I need to just shut for a while. Sorry. Because I do not know what has happened to my. Okay. Where's the? Okay, let us see. For I. Sophia, first one.
Can I WhatsApp you?
Yeah, you can. Zahira, congratulations. Sophia, the second term is correct. Okay. So what about the first term? Okay, I'm gonna show you in a moment. But since is Rayana sending me, if not, then I will show you the. So as I said down here, you can do for I.
Right.
Yeah, 5i. You have done already? So Sophia, you watch, Sophia. Now, can you see this is the question like that? This is what it means. Find the product. 4 times 2 is 8y, not minus 8y, because this is plus, Sophia. This is plus. You must remember the chart, You remember the chart, Sophia? Plus and plus give you plus. Minus give you plus. Do you know the chart? Yes. So down here, plus and plus give you plus lah. Okay. Then plus and minus give you minus. 4 times 9, 36. So your second term is correct. Minus 36x is correct. And then your third one, 4 times 11 is, you don't plus, you go into plus, no? You see down here times, down here going plus. You're unfair lah. Unfair, right, Sophia? Down here 4 times 9. Then this one 4 plus 11. Cannot sometimes plus, sometimes times. You must times all of them, Sophia. 4 times 2, 4 times 9, 4 times 11. Must do like that. Cannot be unfair. Again, once you're going to become a mother, please don't be unfair to your child. Sophia, are you okay, Sophia? You understand what I'm talking about? Not? Yes, right? So down here, plus and plus. So this is your answer. Let us check whether Miss Raihana has gotten it. Raihana, congratulations. Well done, Raihana. Okay, what about the next one? No one has given the next answer. Add. They want you to add this. To what? To this answer here. Go and add it. Take this plus this. Just add them up. What's your answer? Hey, Ian, what's your answer, Ian? Hey, Ian, you know the story of the tortoise and the rabbit, right? Don't be like that. Now, don't be the rabbit who go and sleep under the tree. You finish question 2 lah. I know the rest are slow, but never mind. For you, you must do, let's say now, here, you finish, you do the next question, then just tell me what's the answer. That will make sure you make full use of your time. Never mind, you're exhausted after this. At least your brain will work even faster. Zahira, you are a little bit silent, Zahira. Oh yeah, you got answer. Zahira, what's your answer, Zahira, for 5-2? Come on, girls, you can do this, girls. Anyone? Okay, here. Let's see whether you got it right. Rahana, what about the next one, Rahana? Congratulations, Hayan. You win yourself a free meal. And let us see. Zahira, very close. Zahira, only 1 or 2 mistake. Second term is also wrong. So let us see. Sophia, I'm not. Raihana, have not. Come. They just say add this. So, Hayan, you do question 6. You really got correct. Down here, they ask you to add to what? Add to this one here. Add to this one. So plus 8y minus 36 x plus 44. Okay. So you add together. So x and x, 7x minus 36x. What to do? How to do? Okay, so I don't know how to do this one. Let's say now, 7 minus 36. You don't know, number one, you can use your calculator. Okay, say you don't want to use calculator. Take bigger number minus smaller number. 36 minus 7 is 29. The final answer is not just 29. You look at the bigger number. What's the sign? Sign is minus. Put a minus here. This is minus 29x. That's the method of doing it. And then look at the y. Minus 3y plus 8y. You see, I don't know how to do this. Shift it out opposite. It's like plus 8y minus 3y. Oh, 8 minus 3. Oh, I learned this in primary 2. Its answer is 5y. Right? 8 minus 3, you know, you learned in primary 2, right? Then next one, plus 5 plus 44 equals to 49. Okay? You are okay at this. Okay, we are going to go to review now. This is your answer. We are going to go to review.
Mr. Shaheed.
Yes, miss.
Can I take my charger?
Take whatever you want to take, please take. Okay. All right, here we go. We're going to go to the next question. in a moment. This is page 69. We're going to go to 69. Just a moment. Okay, so now I'm going to stop share. And here we go. Girls, you all must be practicing, girls. Okay, you know who's your benchmark, right? Here is your benchmark. Okay, down here. This is the one. Now, we are going to review whatever that you learn. So if they give you now, if you see this, you look at this. Where is my pen? Down, down here. If you see this one, value, it means they want you to find the answer. That means what is X or what is Y or what is this whole thing. So all you need to do is put the value in. X is 2, put inside here. 4 times 2, like that. Okay, you do 1, A, C, and D. Please come. A, C, and D. Wah, Ian so fast, Ian. Just eating my coconut. But you got it. What? There must not be X. They give you the value of X, Mr. Hayen. What is X? Hayen, they give you X. You must substitute the value of X. You cannot give me now something X. Oh, sorry. Your answer is 8. Then Y? Do you plus with Y? 4 times 2 is 8, correct? Sophia, are you okay? You are looking at Sophia, you like that now? I'm just afraid. What are you looking at? Yeah, so what's the answer? Hey, Ian, you don't give me the question now. You're asking me 8 minus 3. I must give you the answer. You must give me the answer, Ian. Come on, Ian. You can do it. Zahira, you are eating your pencil or putting inside your nostril. What is the answer, Zahira? There's some students, they got very deep nostril. Do you know the ancient Egyptian, how they take out the brain from the mummy? They put the hook inside the nostril, hit it to the brain, and then they use the hook to pull out the brain out of the nose. They didn't know that the brain was actually the most important part of the human body. They go and throw it away. Dodo,
Here is A5.
A is congratulations. A is 5. Well done. Okay, for that, I will ask your mother to give you credit dollars. How much do you want? You don't want it? Or one new baju? Okay. Hey girls, come on. No one is answering me except for Rahana and here me. The other one, you spend cocok apa? Okay, down here, come. You put down here. You do not know how to do, I'll show you. Put like that. Okay, Sophia, see? Put the 2 inside the X. Like that. You know that bracket means it times, right? And then what? Put like that. 9. And put this inside 1/3. But remember, there's a minus here. So how to do? 8 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Then this one plus, how to do this one? Okay, you take 9 over 1. Remember the bracket is times what? Times minus 1 over 3 lah, something like that. Your minus is center can also push up. No, that means you must understand this. Please understand this very clearly. Okay, right until sec 4 and beyond. This is the same as this. Okay, this is the same as this. Here you can see this one same, no, but this is not the same as this. This is not the same. See what do I mean? Okay, but never mind. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this. Okay, but your answer, if you divide, you will get the same lah. So we just push the bracket up, the sign up. Okay, here we go. So down here you can cancel, right? Divide by 3, you get 3, 1. So 8 plus times minus, equals to minus 3. 5, as Raihana says. Okay. Are you okay, Sophia? Sophia, you okay, Sophia? Sophia, you okay not? You sure? You sure? She's looking at something else, Sophia. Don't look at something else. Look at this. Zahira, what I see you now brushing your teeth, your pen. Okay, up to you. Up to you. Okay, here we go. We do B. We do C. C. Hey, what's the answer for C and D? Hey, no answer. You don't know how to do. Use the bracket method. Use the bracket method. Come on, you can do this. Use the bracket method. Just put like that. Astaghfirullah. Okay, I just draw the bracket for you, okay? You can do this very easy. Just draw the same thing. Put bracket like that. Bracket like that. So bracket. You want to bracket this one? Can bracket also lah. Can put bracket plus bracket. Now put in the value lah. See what value? X is what? X is 2. Oh, down here. Then it's a minus 1/3. Alamak, some of you get confused, you know. You see I got a minus 1/3. Do I 2 minus 1/3? Is it 2 minus 1/3? No, it's not 2 minus 1/3. It's 2 times 1/3. Then got the minus sign. How? Okay, you don't bother about the minus sign. Okay, now I remove this one. If you're confused, don't bother about the minus sign first. Go in times it first. So what you mean by times it? You do times it like this lah. That means you take this, you times 2 times 1/3. So 2 over 1, right? So 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. But remember, originally there's minus, so become like that. Oh, like that. Can see not? Can you see not? Don't be confused. You must times this, you know. This is times, you know. Over 1. You must times. So 2 times 1 is minus 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Minus 2 over 3. And then, bottom down here, you have to plus lah. How to plus? Put in what's the value. Okay, Hayan is calling me. 2 plus minus 1/3. So how to do? Now you remove the bracket lah. Remove bracket is 2 minus 1/3. You must know how to do this. What's the answer? It's 1 whole and 2/3. Okay, let us see. Oh, accidentally. So I think this is a little bit confusing for you. So we will do this on the board, okay? Because if you're confused, we better do this on the board. I'm going to write down x equals to 2, y equals to minus 1/3. Okay. Now we write x, y. If you don't know, you copy the working I do, okay? Or you can refer to the video which I upload every week. Unfortunately, no one watches except for me. Because sometimes I want to remember some student, I just watch them again. Anyway, I put a bracket here. I put a bracket here. 2. All right. 1/3 minus. Don't worry about the minus, okay? Don't worry. If you worry, you just rub off first lah. You can do? Okay, then after that, you put the minus in. But don't forget to put the minus back. Now down here, plus this. Minus 1/3. This is 2. So I do this one I show you again, okay? This means 2. Ayo, oh my pen suddenly disappear lah. Okay, sorry. Okay, I show you this one is 2 over 1 times 1 over 3. There's a minus here. 2 times 1 is minus 2. 2 times minus 1 minus 2. 1 times 3 is 3. So your on top now down here will be minus 2 whole, sorry, not minus 2 whole, minus 2 over 3, and then there's a division sign like that. Don't worry about this division sign. Later I'll show you what to do. Now down here now, how to do this one? This is 2 plus and minus is minus what? Now some of you do not know how to do this. That's the problem. Okay, so I show you 1 whole 3 over 3. Why 3 over 3? Can you see now? Maybe it's too small. This 2 whole now, I change it to 1 whole 3 over 3. Why? This is 1 whole also. What? 1 whole, 2 whole. Minus 1 over 3 equals to 1 whole 2/3. So you write down here lah. 1 whole 2/3. Now, how to do this? I'm going to show you now. Watch, watch, okay? This is equals to minus 2 over 3. This sign is divide. This is 1, 2, 3. 1 whole 2 over 3. Now, you must change this to improper fraction first. So what's improper fraction? 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So this is 5 over 3. Minus 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 3. And then minus 2 over 3 times 3 over 5. Cancel the 3, cancel the 3. 1, 1. 2 times 1, 2. Minus 2 times 1, minus 2. 1 times 5, 5. Minus 2 over 5. This is your answer. So if you do not know this, I can teach you, but this is all primary school stuff. Okay, 2 whole minus 1. You can use your calculator, right? Let's see now. For here, you say the answer is not correct, huh, here? You see, it's minus 2 over 5, correct? Yes. Here, you're right for this one, minus 2 over 5. Okay, we move on to the next one. I do not know whether you understand or not. Let me see. From your faces, you will know whether they understand or not. You see, I want to check with you. Your faces all turn off except Hayen and Sophia. Sophia, you understand, Sophia? Zahira, you understand? Zahira, you understand? Zahira, you understand or not? You're playing with your sister, lah. You little bit. Which part you don't understand? Which part you don't understand? Tell me. Dia hoyong hayang lah, this girl. Which one you don't understand? Hey, wait, what you do?
Marah.
No. Okay, which one you don't understand, Zahira? You understand this one? No. You are on mute lah, I cannot see. Oh, you cannot see. Oh, you cannot see. Dia sakit mata, dia tak nampak. Kesian, eh? Dia pakai spectacle lah. You do not know how to enlarge your screen, eh? I do not know. This girl, she's not talking. Okay, man, we'll move on to the next one, okay? She's just looking like that.
Yes.
Okay, so now you which part you don't understand? Tell me.
I don't know.
You don't know which one you don't know? Okay, this one you understand how you
Yeah.
Okay, this one you understand? I think maybe you all do not know this one. Okay, I will test you now. You all try primary school maths lah. Okay, we try. All of you try this one, please. Cannot use calculator. Do not use calculator. 2 questions only. You can do very fast, great. Can you do this one? You cannot do. You are in a little bit of trouble. There's still time to improve. Congratulations, Hayan. What about the next one, Hayan? You see how fast. Once you understand, he can even do mentally. Are you doing mentally, Hayan? Yes, that's good. You can do this mentally? One. Zahira, you cannot see, Zahira. You can see or cannot see? I see you. You're looking at.
I can see.
You can see, Do you do it mentally, Hayan? Mentally? Do you write on the... No. Okay, then mentally I give you a sum now, can? Mentally, Ready? 27 times 11. Mentally. while we wait for the rest. Take 27 times 10. You got answer 27 times 10? Plus 27. 27 times 10 is how much?
270.
Plus 27.
27 plus 27 is...
No, 270 plus 27.
270 plus 27, 294.
297. Huh? Okay, now we try another one now. Okay, here we go. 54 times 11. We are waiting for the rest. Huh? The rest don't do this question, only for him.
I don't know.
Siapa itu yang kacau apa? Mama Zahira. Hayan, 54 times 10.
540.
Plus 54.
540 plus 54 is 594.
You know the method. You times 10, then you plus one more. That's for 11. So we try another one. 24 times 11.
Huh?
24 times 11. 24 times 11.
264.
Good. So 11, you plus one more. For 9, you minus. So 27 times 9. Times 10 first, then minus 27. 27 times 10?
27, 2270.
Minus 27. Jangan tulis lah. Don't write. In your mind.
243.
243. Well done. So this is a trick you can play. All right, the rest of the girls, while we have been testing here on the tough part, what about you girls? Hey, please, make sure you enter express stream. Try your best. All right, girls, are you here? Sophia, what's your answer, Sophia? Sophia, okay, so down here. Okay, so now I teach you from here lah. Very simple. 1 whole minus 1/3. You all know the answer. 1 whole can change to 3/3. So 3/3 minus 2/3 lah. So what do? You break this up to 2 and 1. Because 2 plus 1 is 3, right? 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So now break this 1 to 3/3. 3/3 minus 1/3 is 2/3. Don't forget to add the 2. You get it or not? Do you get it? Same thing, right? If I give you 1 minus 1/10, very simple. 1 you can make it to 10/10. What? Minus 1, 9/10. So now if I give you this sum now, 100 minus 1/10. You break this up, 99. Then what plus 1, right? This 1, break it to 10/10. So 99, 10 minus 1 is 9. 9/10. Can you see now? If you cannot see, you must tell me so that I can teach you separately. Okay, because this is actually earlier years. So now you're going to secondary school with a handicap. What do I mean by that? That means some of the skills you have not mastered in primary school. No, you are just going to bring into, and then you're using calculator, so you can sometimes bluff your way through. But the concept is still unclear in your mind. It's dangerous. So you must tell me. I will arrange for a special lesson for you to learn all this. If you want to, I'm not going to force you. There's no such thing as compulsion. Okay, and now we hey, and I'll check your answer for D in a moment. Now we do this one now. They want you to simplify. Simplify means they want you to how many X, how many Y lah. Okay, we try this lah. A and B. Okay, and I will check your answer in a moment. See, you say 40 whole 1/9. 3 times 2, 6. 6. Here, this is wrong lah. Here, come. Here, you alone. Here. You see, X down here is 2, correct? Do you agree? Here, 3 times 2. Oh, what is this? What is happening? Here in 3 times 2 is 6, right? So down here I write 6. 6 minus 1/3, right? Am I correct? So down here it becomes 6 plus 1/3, so 6 1/3. Unless I get it wrong. 40 over 1. So 6 1/3 times 6 1/3, because it's square, is it? 6 1/3 times 6 1/3. Maybe you're right. Let's see. 6 times 3. Okay, 6 1/3 times 6 1/3. I'm just going to use. Is she correct? Oh, hey, you're absolutely correct. I'm so sorry. You're well done. Well done. I apologize. Next year I'll study under you. Okay. Well done. Well done. So the rest for 2A and 2B. Here, once you're done, you can do 2C and 2D. You're waiting for answers. Anybody? Zahira dah tak boleh concentrate lah dia. What happened, Zahira? Your cousin are with you, eh? Here, your answer for 2A, 2B. Don't need to do mentally lah. I can just do your working, no problem. Okay, let us see. Answer. Congratulations, Hian. What about the rest? Sophia, what about you, Sophia? Oh, Sophia. Can do not, Sophia? 2A. Sleepy, you are sleepy, is it? Sleepy, Zahira and Rayhana, what happened to both of you? How come your videos are off? Come on, come on, come on. Rayhana, what about you, Rayhana?
So we're actually doing.
Which one are you doing? You see the
We're doing
answers.
A.
Okay. All right, right. Try your best. Come on. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is correct. Can you do the next two C and D? Because we Goodness. Okay. What's the answer for 2A? No one is sending the answer. Okay, now I'm going to run through. All right, here we go. We remove the brackets one by one. Minus 3y minus 3y plus and minus. Minus. Plus times minus minus, right? 7x. And then minus 9x. I just copy this thing here. Minus 9x. Plus 6y. Minus minus give you plus. Minus minus give you plus 6y. So this one now here, we want to have the x first. Look at the sign in front. This is minus 7x. You owe $7. You owe $9. Total you owe $16. And then I take plus 6y minus 3y. So what do I get? Minus 16x. Sorry, minus 16x. Sorry, this one will be 6y minus 3y. You get 3y lah. So plus 3y. So this is the answer. Anyone's confused? No one's confused. Huh? I do not know whether it's really true or not. Now times is very easy. Take number times number times number, letter times letter times letter, sign times sign times sign. So we go first. X times y times z. X, y, z. 2 times 7, 14. Okay, times 1, 14 still. Then, so 14xyz, hold on. Minus times minus equals to plus. Then plus times minus equals to minus. Minus 14xyz. That is your answer. Okay, we move on to the next one. I don't know. The three girls are like in La La Land already. Okay, can we try question number 3? Read through carefully question number 3. Here, let's see your answer for C, yeah? Congratulations, Hayan, for C. We try now question 3. And don't need to do D, just do question 3 lah. Unless you finish question 3, then you do D. Now, for the girls, especially the girls, you all must know that in all the other classes, students are paying attention. Sec 2, if you have a sister there, your sister or brother is paying attention. Primary 6, paying attention. Primary 5, paying attention. Primary 4, only the Sec 1. I do not know, maybe it's a penyakit, I think. It's a penyakit, I do not know why. Maybe you're just becoming an adult, you feel, I don't know. All right, anyone for question number 3? Zaira, focus lah, Zaira. Zaira, Raihana, Sophia was good in the beginning. Now she's just showing forehead. I don't know what she's doing. So 3 of you, I encourage you to speak to your parents to stop your tuition. Better for you. Then you can spend your time doing other things. Might as well you do that rather than you pretend to be doing nothing down here. I rather teach Hayan one-to-one. I help him score 90 plus for maths. Better. Speak to your parents, huh? Tell your parents, I do not want to attend the class. It's so boring. Okay. I'm more than happy to. I want to teach only those who want to learn. Huh? I don't mind teaching those who fail. But so long as they want to learn. But if they want to just be part of, I don't know what they're doing. Like Rahana now, video off. I do not know what she's doing. Sophia now, she's doing, I don't know what she's doing also. You all know lah, you know what you're doing, right? Because you're taking too long a time to solve. But every time I say this, you turn on your video. After that, you turn off your video. I think you just turn off the video lah. Okay, I will speak to your parents now. But I feel bad also because you are having now a year ahead of you. I hope you can get replacement tutor lah. Okay. Okay, question number C. 3, you're not doing it. Here, you got your answer here. Have you given me your answer? Minus 24x. Can do, not? You're supposed to find the... Okay lah, I'll run through if you just check answer lah. I do not know whether you all pretend don't know how to do. This one plus this one. They say find the sum of it first. So you must find the sum first. Once you add this thing, then after that, they want you to find product. Product means times. So once you get your answer, you write it inside the bracket like that. After that, you times by -8 outside lah, like that. Because that's what they want you to do. Don't go and take -8, go and times this one. They ask you to times this to the sum of these two. So you must do this two first to get the sum. And then you times by -8. So how to do? Okay, I'll show you how to do then. Very easy. -2 over here, there's 10x plus 3y. Okay, plus. Sum, there's plus, and then now there's minus on here. Alamak, how like that? Okay, we put another bracket lah. We put another bracket. So you can put many brackets. Up to you. You know how many brackets you want to put it. If it helps you, you put the bracket. So what is the bracket for? Okay, now we can remove the bracket for here. 2 times 10, 20x. Then this is minus times plus. Minus times plus is minus. See, minus on here times plus. Same thing, minus times plus minus. 2 times 3 is 6. Y. Can you see? Now, the next one, then we just write plus first. We got to times this out. 5 times 6y. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 6y, 30y. Minus 5 times 6y, minus times plus, minus. Okay, again, there's bracket here still. Then 5 times 7, 35. 35x. Minus times minus, plus. Okay. So now the next one now equals to minus 20x minus 6y. Now then you remove the bracket. You see, I do the inside first. Minus and plus give you minus 30y. Plus and plus give you plus 35x. So we make it, group all the x together, minus 20x plus 35x, 15x minus 36y. Now this is actually the sum. Remember, you're supposed to find the product of negative 8. So now I'm going to write it here. 15x minus 36y, close bracket. Put minus 8 in front. Okay. 8 times 15, the answer is how much? 4 times 15, 60, 120, I think. 120x. Minus times plus, minus. Minus times minus, plus. 8 times 36, I myself don't know. 360 minus 72, 288, I think. 288y. Okay. I do not know whether you know or whether you're too tired lah. Okay. This is the answer. All right. We're moving on. Okay. We now move on to the next one. The next one now is problem sums. So this problem sum is going to be worse lah. Perimeter. Hold on here. Okay, we got another 15 minutes more. Let's see whether you can get it. Okay. You try your best to solve 10 and 11. This is on page 72. Do 10 and 11. Okay, I'm gonna come back in 2 minutes. All right, we are getting answers from Heian. Congratulations. Heian has gotten both answers so fast. Okay, let us see. I do not know about the rest. Zahira can do, Zahira? Cannot. Sophia can do? Can. Okay, good. So you must be able to understand what they are talking about first, okay? So I'm just gonna help you a little bit. Okay, I just help you. just a little bit. So if let's say you're stuck and here you can check answers. So there's comic books, and there's two types of comic books: English and Japanese. Okay, let us see now. Who else have the answer now? We are checking the answer. Sophia have sent the answer to me. Sophia, most wow, very good attempt. Let us see. Okay, same answer as Hain for 10A. Yeah. So let us see. So now, the total number of books is P. Okay, that's the total. What is the total equal to? The total is equal to two types of books, which are English books and Japanese. So that means total. If I draw a model, I know I'm not supposed to draw a model. You're in primary, not in primary 6. So total is from here to here is P. From here to here is P. English is Q. Let's say this is Q. And this is Japanese. They're asking you how many are there. Oh, very simple. Take P minus Q. So you're correct. Sophia right, here no right. P minus Q is the answer. It is that easy. They are giving you free marks. But it's up to you whether you want to take it or not. Now then, the total amount of money he spent. Well, very simple. If I buy 2 English books, comics books, I just take 2 times the price, $8 equals to 16. And if I buy another 2 Japanese books, I take 2 times 9, 18. And then I plus them together. That's what I do if they give me in dollar sign, right? But they did not give me in dollar sign. They give me now in alphabet or algebra. So what to do? Okay, so very simple. Never mind. We will replace the number with a letter lah. We replace a number with a letter. What do I mean? So down here now, English books. How many English books are there? Q. So the price of the English book is 8 times Q equals to 8Q dollars. 8Q dollars. Okay, I can put a dollar sign. Then what about Japanese book? How many Japanese books are there? Well, you just found out the number of Japanese books. This is number of Japanese books. And what do? I must times this lah. How to times? Very simple. 9 times P minus Q. Then what do you get? What do I get? Very simple. 9 times P, 9P. And 9 times Q minus 9Q. This is the price of the Japanese books. See why the price is so funny? Well, what to do? This is algebra. And algebra is invented or discovered by Muslims, by Al-Khawarizmi. You are supposed to be good in algebra also. But in Singapore, the community that's the worst for maths are the Muslims. Shame on us. Okay. So down here now, this is the cost of the Japanese books. This is the cost of the English books. So total amount, add them together lah. So 8Q plus 9P minus 9Q. So what do you get? Okay, 8Q minus 9Q, you get minus Q lah. Because you have $8, you utang $9, you still utang $1. The 9P, just put the 9P there lah. So 9P minus Q, you break it up like that, and you put the dollar sign. This is your answer. Let us see whether, congratulations, Hain got it correct. Okay, now how is it that he can get it correct? Because he does like this lah, he replace the number, the price with the dollars, and then he can understand. Okay, we move on to the next one, your last question. Okay, even my hair is already untidy already. So last question, try to find. If you do not know the formula for average, I will write it down for you. Remember, average is Mr. Tan. What is Mr. Tan? This is Tan. Average, T total. is equals to average times the number. Average times the number equals to total. Okay, you try. You try. We have 7 minutes left. In 4 minutes, I will solve this for you. Ian, what's answer?
Teacher, I don't understand the question.
Okay. A fruit seller, he sells apples and he sells lemons. Okay, that one you can understand so far. Then they tell you that the bag of apples, there's 20 apples. There's 20 apples in bag and the weight is X kg. 20 apples, 20 apples. Huh? The weight is apples, the weight is X kg. X kg. Can you see? And for lemons, there's 10 lemons. 10 lemons, L lemons. The weight is Y kg. Can you find what is the weight of one apple? Yeah, one apple you can find what? How? X divided by 20 lah. One lemon can find also. This is 10 is Y kg. One lemon, Y over 10 kg. Then they ask you to find 120 and 50 lemons basket. How heavy is it? Then don't forget to plus the weight of the basket, which is 2 kg. Are you okay? You're not okay. You okay, huh? Can, huh? You must imagine these are numbers. These are numbers. In fact, you should be looking at Shafika nowadays. She's like in a woman in paradise. Like she's like on the cloud. Apa? Kenapa bu? Mana bu? Bersih. Lagi 4 minit. Tapi aku rasa aku mau ajar mereka sampai jam 10. Pasal mereka perlukan ilmu. Tapi mereka tak nampak happy. Oh, sampai hanya Zahira yang nampak happy. So you don't need to use this lah. You don't need to use this formula. Although they say average, but you don't need to use this formula. Okay, in 1 minute's time, I will explain. I'm going to draw something. This, can you see, yeah, while you all are doing? Just for your information, sometimes we are not supposed to teach these things, but sometimes we get the opportunity, so I will teach you all. You know that some who want to find out whether you can have cancer, look out for things like this. The line out here, you can see my nail. And then you have a black line or something, maybe a black line. I use a black line. You might have like that, you know. So if you see any of your family members, the older one, of course, don't tell them you got cancer lah. Ask them to go and check out with the doctor.
because this might be cancer of the, I do not know what. Okay, all right, we have to go through now because you are taking too long. I apologize. So we have to, we go to do step by step. Huh? Okay, now. Oh. Okay, you can see this. You can see the Microsoft Word, right? So I'm now going to use both, okay? The question and the Microsoft Word also. So that I can I do not know whether you can see, right? So now 20 apples, the weight is, you can see my Microsoft Word, right? The weight is x kg. So what is one apple? One apple is simple lah. X divided by 20. Then I want to find 120 apples. Easy lah. Very easy. Just x over 20 times by 120. You will get your answer lah, which is equals to 6x. 120 apples. If you don't believe, I can show you lah. Okay, I can show you down here. How do I get? Okay, I'll show you down here so that you all are very clear. One apple is x over 20. I want to find 120. How? Times 120 lah, right? So when you times 120, what happens? Well, you can cancel the 0, right? So we cancel the 0. Cancel 0. 12 divided by 2, 1, 6. 6 times x, 6x. So 120 apples, the weight is 6x down here. That's for apples. What about lemons? 10 lemons, well, the weight is y kg. And what is one lemon? One lemon, the weight is y over 10 kg. And if you want to find the weight of 50 lemons, simple, just write y over 10 times 50, and you will get 5y. I'll show you also. I'll show you. You see down here, one lemon is y over 10. That's one lemon. Times by 50. Cancel the 0. Y times 5. 55y kg, which is this one. Okay. And then they say, what is the total mass of the basket of fruits? Very simple lah. Oh, total mass is 5. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, I undo the paste. Okay. What's the weight of the total mass of 120 apples, 50 lemons, and the basket? Take 6x plus 5y. Don't forget to plus 2 kg. And this whole thing, you put it in a bracket. And you write the kg here. Now, I'm going to explain one by one. What is 6x? That's 120 apples, which is what they're asking here. What is 50 lemons weight? 5y. Oh, 5y is here. 50 lemons. Then an empty basket, you must also have a basket, what? 2 kg. So this is your answer. Hey, Ian, are you okay? You understand, Ian? Sophia? But still. Okay lah. I will stop here. And yeah, maybe those who, I don't know, if you feel that the tuition doesn't help you, either you try to do on your own, find another tutor, or you must learn to concentrate. And the best way to concentrate is to what? To practice on your own. And you try your best. You cannot do, you ask me that question, I go through that question with you. Then your attention span will be better. But if let's say you're wondering, I do not know, I cannot help you further then. Okay. Assalamualaikum.